Hey everyone, Adam Vidiksis here, and I'm going to go over some of the hardware and software that we're using for KATA. So first, this is our hardware, our sensor suite, which is a headband, an EEG headband developed by a company called Muse. And the performers will put this on in this way, and there are 5 sensors in the headband that are placed around the skull and able to collect the EEG data. So those performers, whether they're musicians or martial artists, would wear the headband in this way. And so we can, once it's on my head properly here, we can start to see the data coming in. So we have this visualization. So we're sending this wirelessly actually to an iPad, which is receiving it and acting as our wireless hub for receiving the data via Bluetooth. And then we're sending that wirelessly to a computer, which is collecting the data. So what we're seeing here is custom software that we have written specifically for the project in a programming environment called Max. So this is custom code that collects all of these things, and there's lots of interesting data that we see, like my current delta, theta, alpha, beta, and gamma waves. We can detect when I blink or when I clench my jaw. We can also see that coming in as well. We can also visualize the data in other interesting ways. Here's some raw data mappings, but for example, here we can see the motion and position of my head via an accelerometer. So if I move my head this way, we can see those data change, as well as via a gyroscope, which says its relative position in the world. So the audience won't ultimately be seeing any of this specifically in the final concert performance, but this is what's going on behind the scenes. This is all of the things that are happening in order to collect this data. So this will be mapped in all sorts of interesting ways to create music and visuals specific to the data that we collect from the various performers in the piece, both beforehand via a number of different tests as well as during the performance. So this is the behind the scenes stuff of the hardware and software for KATA.